Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabil from 2B, and I'm here to present my sensor project. First, this is my former uh, former paper. This is the task that I have to do: design, implement, ship. You guys can pause to read it yourself, but I'm going to scroll it quickly. There is my project is a project agriculture sensor. My name is Hakim Nabil from 2B. My ID and also sensor technology course. Um, this is my introduction. Basically, in first in Malay, uh, banyakkan sensor yang canggih untuk memantau kita punya persekitaran. Lagi dalam kita punya tumbuhan semua tu. Uh, ni asas asasnya ialah rangkaian pertalian dan berantai untuk lengkapi teknologi canggih seperti IoT dan AI berkeras buatan untuk raja memproseskan analisiskan data untuk agriculture. uh, Ini kata kunci dia: sistem pemantauan alam sekitar, rangkaian pendirian dan perantian, teknologi canggih, Internet of Things atau persejaran, kelembapan tanah, kualiti udara, kualiti air, pemantauan dan analisis. Tindakan tepat, pencegahan masa nyata, respons segera, skala besar dan kos efektif, memelihara semula sumber. Dan ini yang bahasa Inggerisnya. Biasanya yang bahasa Melayu tu cuma untuk translate ke English. Ni keywords dia. Smart environment, IoT, network sensor device, data gathering, processing analysis, soil moisture, air quality, water quality, real-time monitoring, analysis, uh, informed decision, timely action, tracking, data collection on a large scale, also of course long-term trends and patterns, high efficiency, cost-effective, reliability, sustain management practice, resource conversion effort. Of course, this is my sensor selection for my agriculture project. Soil moisture sensor to monitor the soil, of course, soil moisture to prevent waste of water, and also to prevent dryness in the plant. Basically, to prevent wastage of water and uh, dry. Other sensor is temperature and humidity sensor. Uh, this, these two sensory is important factor for plant growth, pest infestation, and overall crop health. Basically, this is to monitor the surrounding temperature to prevent loss of water in the plant. Also, the humidity also as well as the humidity sensor. Uh, this usually use DHT11 or DHT22. I'm using DHT22. This is pretty basic. Basically, from the controller, it goes to the sensors, back to the controller, and sending back it to the laptop for a more visual data. Now this is the implementation code. This is basically the code I have to do for the sensor to make it work properly. This is the result. Uh, and for the reason my humidity and sensors uh, showing uh, N NAN is because during hooking up the sensor to show both results, I accidentally broke my sensor, the DHT22. So I only have the result for what when one of for one of them. Uh, I unfortunately cannot. I didn't have time to finish the data visualization, but fortunately I can finish the rest of the report. First, so let's see the conclusion and recommendation. In this in this project, we successfully design and implement a smart environment system using sensor technology for IoT application. Using the DHT2 sensor for monitoring temperature humidity levels, as well as soil moisture for the soil condition. Through real-time data collection, we have to give real insight into the evaluation condition of the monitored agriculture area. Like basically a plot from a flower plot to a garden plot. This is my finding. The sensor, JC sensor, provide a semi-accurate reading temperature and humidity ledger and will us to track environmental changes effectively. But I think that is because I bought a really cheap one, so I believe a more better sensor can overcome that problem. Of course, during the observation, there was fluctuation which could be attributed to the environment, like my own breath, my uh, the fans in my room, which can fluctuate the readings a bit. Now, for the soil moisture, it could also be a valid tool to assess the soil condition and determine aggregation. It consistently, this one provide consistent data allowing for us for optimize water schedule and promote efficient water use. Uh, but I recommend using the capacitive one instead of my resistive one because my resistive one corrode too fast. So it is recommended to use the competitive one. Now my recommendation for improvement. Uh, some sensor calculation to combat the fluctuation in the heat sensor. So we can so recommend regular calculation procedure to ensure accuracy and consistency. This can this can involve from adjusting the setting to permit manual calculation. Next is integrating predictive analysis. Attending session to include predictive analysis of program may allow productive decision making based on future changes. So basically giving an AI to predict the environment changes. Next, next is to expand the sensor network. Basically, make put more sensor in it to give it more addition parameters and also more more room to analyze the environment. This is my reference. All of it is from the internet. The first two was just a general tutorial. The last two is because I had problems with error reading and connections occurs before I end this video. I'm gonna show a demonstration of it. Let's see. It's taking longer than expected. Here it is. Compile it. This is longer than expected. Okay. Come on. Okay. It's connecting. It's reading it, writing it. Think okay with it. I think broke it. Correct. Hurry that the end of the video. Okay. Now, the nun is supposed to be a number, but because I broke my DHT, so it's getting a value. As I showed earlier, it's supposed to give a number for the humidity and Celsius. Now for the moisture sensor, to test it, I have to basically wet my fingers and touch the sensor. There it is. I'm like Pinko and Best Normal. That's all.